In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install and use Telegram on your PC or on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So I have here a Windows computer and I'd like to go ahead and install Telegram app on this PC. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to any browser and then search for Telegram. And you'll find here Telegram web. Go ahead and click on it. And now here we are supposed to log into our Telegram by linking or authorizing using a smartphone when we scan this QR. To do so, it is quite simple. I'll have to go ahead and open my Telegram on my phone and then go to settings, device, and then link it to desktop by scanning this QR. So for that, I'll go ahead and go to Telegram on my smartphone and then go to settings here. And from settings, I'll go to device and then I'll choose this option called link desktop device. So if I go ahead and tap on it, I'll have to go ahead and scan it. So I'll head to this and then scan it here. And now look at that. The scan has been completed. And now you can see my charts are already appearing on my desktop. From here now, I can begin to search and open any of the Telegram channels or accounts that I have and start chatting. So that's how you can link your Telegram account on your PC or on your desktop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.